bullish on teams that I continue to remain bullish on teams that can sell and who are going to have customers irrespective of to how AI and tech are playing out, so we're right now really looking for businesses that might not have as high of a valuation. I think to acknowledge the elephant in the room at this time and season in 2025, there was a lot of really high valuations in 2021. There was a bit of drunkenness with private capital and the valuations of the businesses. And unfortunately, right now, for anyone raising money, either in a fund or for their own company directly, it's very difficult to raise money right now because there's so much liquidity tied up in
Yeah.
these exit events. So this is affecting the amount of capital available to direct companies, which is, you know, it's reducing the supply of capital, so supply of buyers essentially into your businesses and into your funds, so that valuations are going to have to come down. So I am bullish about, from an investor perspective, being able to buy right pricing. That feels good, that there is a reset that has to come. And I would encourage businesses that have to lower their valuation. It doesn't mean the end of the world for that. There are a lot of things that you can do to protect your valuation if you need to lower it. It doesn't mean like you're giving away all of your company. There are investors like us who are willing to do things on convertible notes and that to help you grow your valuation. But I'm bullish on businesses who are willing to kind of right side their valuation, but are can still bring in revenue and maybe do it a little faster because of AI.